Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Ayomi Kulopin. This channel is Yoruba American Comedy. My name is Princess. Tonight, the episode is about children back to the school. I can't wait to see all of you children. Hello, children. Are you ready to go back to school? Yeah. Soon I would like to see all of you with a beautiful dressing, going to the school with smiling faces on you. Please be careful. When you get to school this time, make sure you listen to your teacher, listen to the parents. If you see anything in a school strange to you, report immediately. Don't wait. Tell your teacher or call anyone around you. If you have phone on you, you can call 911. Also, I trust all the parents. They are ready for you guys. As usual, anytime your children come home, please, parents, check their bags. Make sure you look inside. If there's any object or dangerous things in a bag, remove immediately. Also, listen to your children. Anytime they complain at home about other child or they complain about any serious issue, go there immediately. Do not wait until when the disaster happens. Please, we don't pray to lose all these children. They are all beautiful, brilliant, smart, and they are ready to learn. Parents, remember, when you are about to drop your child off at daycare or school, make sure you don't forget to take them to work. Because some people, while they are going to their working place, they'll put children in the back of the seat in a car and they forget, they close the door at 80 something degree or 90 something degree. You know what is going to happen? It's bad. I don't want to say that. Please don't let that happen anymore. It has happened in many places that cause disaster for the child, and which is not supposed to happen because we forgot to drop them in the school. There are many solutions to find into that situation. They have something like alarm at a baby Ross in a mall. Go there, go and get it, attach it to your door. Whenever you get out of the car, that thing will be singing happy birthday to you or something like that. Then you will remember, I have my child in a car. Immediate effect, you will take her to the school or report at job. I'm sorry, I'm going to late for 15 minutes. I have to drop this child in the school. Then you come back. That is the best solution. Don't forget, it's at Baby Ross in the mall. It's not so much expensive. You can get that at lower cost. Another thing again, don't forget to pick up your children or your child in a school, daycare, center at night. Remember, if you're late, more than the required time ACS is around. They don't joke with that case. Please, we don't want our child to be taken. It's hard to get them back. It's hard. It's not a small case. Some people get their children back. Some people don't up to today. And it's a bad experience. Another thing again, or they have all the classes in a college or universities for all the students. After the elementary school, secondary school, then you go to university or college. Don't stay home. Go out. Go out there. Ask questions if you need help. If you want to continue your education, or you don't know how to even go to the college before, go there. They are ready to help you. They have all the online free classes that you can take without spending any money. Yeah, they have it in your community. They have it in a state. Just go out and ask questions. Do not stay home. If you stay home, refrigerator is by your side. You just be going back and front. You don't know by the time you will start blowing up like a balloon, getting body, because you don't have nothing to do. All you do is to sleep, wake up, eat. Sleep, wake up, eat. No, that is not good. It causes a lot of disease. Hypertension, heart disease, diabetes. None of them will happen to us in Jesus' name. But in order to eradicate that, you need to get out. Get out. Get out. If you have the opportunity, not all of us can go to the school. Some people doesn't want to. Some people want to, but they don't know how to, to look out for it. But if you ask questions, go to the center, go to the library, you can even stop the police whenever they are passing nearby. Hello, officer, can I talk to you? I need help. They will listen to you and they will give you the direction. It's not so hard, and it's not that hard. If you try, you won't know the time that you finish your college, or if you want to further more, like a specialist or something. We have a lot of courses in the college and the university. They have a professional career certificate program, like fundamental of a human resources, becoming a certificate mediator, management a child care center. That one you can use to work at a child care. Then a career training, like a nurse's doctor, like a patient care technique, supply chain management, certified nurses aid, certified clinical medical assistants. They are out there. All you need is just to get out and look for it. If you don't want to do all those ones, you can still go and learn how to, how to build a house, how to make the check, like a payroll. That one is good too. It's a training. Then like a customer service, you can learn how to do the hairdresser. You can learn how to showing the clothes. Then you be making a lot of styles for yourself, for your children, and for your husband as well. You can learn how to paint, how to cook. Then you become a mama cooker or baba cooker. You know, you can open a restaurant, or you can work under somebody that have a restaurant. Everything is about money. Or if you don't want to do all this, you can go to your housing, ask them where you can get a free food. They have free food all over, in the churches, in the community, in the center. They have free food. Or you can go to the government house. They have a money for them. I think they used to give them $120 per month before. It's increased now. Maybe it's 500 now or something, because everything is expensive. Because they don't want anybody on the street, and they do not want anybody to be hungry. If you're in America, you must eat. Yes, that is 100% sure. Governments have working on it, and it works for those who need it. They give out fruits, oranges, apples, banana, onions, so and so on. They give cooked food. They give out canned food, raw food, beans, rice, whatever you need, and they will give it to you. But don't just quiet, don't stay at home alone. Make sure you ask questions. Also, they have adult classes in the college too. No matter how old you are, they are ready to help you. They have extension program for ESL, where you can learn English and math. They will help you. Then they have a Saturday youth program. If you are in that school as a student, bring all your children to the college. They welcome them. They help them do their own works. They take them for the for any around, just to walk around, make sure they are all safe. They don't want them on the street. They take them to the camp. They show them how to draw, many things like that. Like a children that cannot talk, they have like a training for them how to talk. They have a special teacher for them. They will teach them how to talk, and they start to learn. They have online distance learning. They have online free classes. Go there for adults. Go there. Or for a student that doesn't have help to pay for tuition fee. So this program is for everybody. But you need to seek for help. If you don't seek for help, nobody will know what you need. They have a professional development in the school. They have a professional development, like a teaching work. If you love to teach in a school, in a high school, in elementary school, they are ready to teach you, and you become a teacher. Yeah. Pre-college readings. If you are ready to go back to the college and you don't know where to start, sometimes you forget things. It's not that hard. Just go directly to nearby college. Go to their lab center. They are ready to help you out. Tell them what you need, either math or English. They will help you out. Then you can sit for the entrance. Then senior citizen courses, they have it there too. If you want to sit down for your senior citizens questions, they will help you and you will pass it. They have like a technique work for the adults. They make hats, they make sauce, they make swearers. You can do that. And they have a test preparation for the nurse, all the nurses. Just go there. They will help you out. Also, remember, with all these things you are doing, the reward is that when you grow old, you will not have Alzheimer. You will not become a cuckoo person if you continue to read. Just pick anything, either newspaper or magazine. Read at least in a day, a page. It will keep your memory fresh and you will not have Alzheimer or cuckoo. Cuckoo is when someone is mental, or you will not be depressed. Depressed cause cuckoo, it causes mental. From cuckoo from depressed to cuckoo. You don't want to invite all those diseases. Please help yourself, and they are ready to help you. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Later I'll put my phone number here. You can ask me some question if you need where the online free classes are, or any good daycare around you, free daycare, or if you want to know how to get the ACS ticket. Is it ticket or paper? So that they can pay for your child at daycare. That one is free. Sometimes they pay $250 for one child, either a week or a month. I forgot. But I'm sure they will cover up to 5 years. Your child will be getting free milk, free food, free daycare as well when he go to the school. If your teacher need a free teacher, like a special teacher, they teach them many things, like how to talk, or if your child has a little bit problem, it's a different problem. Just go there. If you notice your child cannot talk, or you notice he or she cannot